Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Google Sheets or trashed files step by step. If you've accidentally deleted a spreadsheet, you can usually restore it from the trash as long as it hasn't been permanently deleted. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your computer and sign into your Google account. On the left side of the screen, click Trash. Here, you'll find all the files and folders you've recently deleted, including Google Sheets files. Browse through the list or use the search bar to locate the spreadsheet you want to recover. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. From the menu, select Restore. Google Drive will immediately move the spreadsheet back to its original location in your drive. To confirm it's been restored, click My Drive or use the search bar to find the file. If you deleted the file from Google Sheets, the recovery process is the same because Google Sheets files are stored in Google Drive. Keep in mind that files in the trash can only be restored until they are permanently deleted. If the trash has been emptied or the file has been permanently removed, you may not be able to recover it unless you're using a Google Workspace account and your administrator can restore it. To help prevent accidental data loss, consider organizing your files into folders and avoiding permanently deleting important documents. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover deleted Google Sheets or trashed files. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, Google Drive tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.